myList can also generate quotes. Click on Create Quote. It's going to do a very similar thing there. So again, I have the ability to include or exclude various products. We'll just go with the entire list this time. Again, it's going to let me know if one product won't be able to be quoted. And from there, I'm going to click Create Quote. All right, and it has generated my quote number. I then have immediate access to a PDF copy that I can email to myself or someone else, or direct download access of those products. All right, once I can either jump into the quote or I can close this out. Once a quote is generated for a particular list, you will notice this toggle show up at the upper left-hand side of the screen. Once I click on quotes, it's going to jump into my quote view, and this is going to be where any quotes that have been generated for this particular list are available, and then I have access to view the quote. So you'll notice this is a little bit different format. It is based on just locking pricing. All other information is going to be better accessed via the list display. This is going to lock pricing for the next 30 days, and you do have visibility for each line when pricing is valid through. This page, I can actually move all the products to a cart as well with that locked pricing.